So for the Instagram link, to get your Instagram link, you open your Instagram. Okay, so this is my Instagram, and then you come to the down right corner where you have the small icon. You click on that icon over there, then you to your extreme top right, you see those three horizontal lines. So you click on it, then you come to QR code. So you click on QR code. So this is your QR code here. You can, to get this code, you can screenshot it and then you send to your graphic designer, or you put it in your form, or you put it in your letter, your ID card, your graphics, your flyers, and all of that. You can put it in your posters. You have to give it to share to your WhatsApp groups and contacts. So that is how to get your WhatsApp QR code. But I told you that this code is static. You can't change anything, you can't edit it, you can't modify it. And so you can also, okay, that is that for Instagram. Then to get the link, you come to the same line, you click on the line, you take settings, then from settings you go to invite and follow and invite friends. So these are the options how you can share to your WhatsApp, to your email, SMS. So but from here you can invite friends by, click on invite friends by, then see copy, then you take copy, then you go to QR Tiger and paste it on that same place where you posted your URL. Then from there you can customize. Now, one important thing that you should do as people who need to grow their business and attract potential customers is the importance of call to action. There's something called call to action that we use, that WhatsApp QR and Instagram QR won't give you. Call to action is a response that you want your clients to see, like the one I did here. Let me show you this. This is my image. Okay, this is it now, like scan to join. This is a call to action. This is an example of a call to action. But for other platforms, they will just give you the, okay, let's use the Instagram for example. This is the Instagram, and then we have, okay, the Instagram code. All right, this is it now. Nothing like what is here is just Moses, triumphant Moses. There is no scan to action. So it has been proven that any scan code that has a call to action actually attracts more customers than just a plain code like this. So people who sees this, we actually be moved or triggered to scan, because you are telling them to do something, than just seeing this one playing. So that is why it's advisable not to just share this like this, but edit it. So it's better to use a dynamic QR platform, and Q Tiger is one of them. I believe you've learned this already. So I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you.